Ugh. CRV. I collect them. Got a big old closet full of them. And they still charge for the CRV, but they're not. What's the point of the CRV again? Gotta remind me, because I kind of forgot. What the hell is the tax for? CRV tax. Encourage. Anyway, I found this one today. Oh, I found it. Brand new. Oh. So, yeah. Could you see? I opened it. Brand new. Oh. And, Tami HerMan at the Tomboy Project. Gonna make me wait till Saturday before, doing what she insists must be done to appease whom? I'm not sure anymore. I don't know whose order she's following now. Ooh, fruit and grain from Filling Hungry Bellies. Filling hungry bellies, filling empty bellies. I already ate the BLT that they had. But then, yep. Got to wait till Saturday. She didn't say when Saturday. There's no time. No time. Home Depot opens at 7 a.m. to 6. So I'll probably wait. Well, because, why not? Wait a little longer. 8, 9 o'clock. What is a reasonable hour? But Tomboy Project, she says she'll be there all day. So 8 o'clock, would say would be the earliest. But probably try to do it about 9. Around there. 8:30, 9:30, somewhere around 9. Waiting. I need ground wire because these outlets, this building, does not have grounding wire. So I'm just going to ground the switch to the box. It's a metal box. So the tube, I don't know if it's metal or not, but it's just going to have to sit inside the box that hopefully is metal enough to ground it. So there we go. That's current events. And City Lumber, Simon at City Lumber has, even though the payment went through, he's saying that, he's thinking that they're not going to be able to help me any further. So, anyway, Tami, thank you for increasing patience and, I don't know, tolerate it whether I can or not. Tolerating, right? Anyway, happy Family Wednesday.